Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Bitcoin and the euro are sending a message to investors about their bullishness against the dollar. The latest options data from Deribit and Amber data shows that Bitcoin's short and near-dated risk reversals have turned slightly positive, indicating a recovery from the previous trend of a preference for puts in near-dated options. That's right, folks, we're seeing a shift away from putting money on the dollar and towards taking calls on Bitcoin. And it's not just one-time moves, this is a sustained trend that suggests investors are becoming more bullish on crypto. The fact that the 30-year yield has risen by over 5 basis points to 4.9%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average plummeted over 700 points tells us that investors are looking for safer havens. And we're seeing it happen. Bitcoin is rising past $88,000. The EUR/USD is climbing to 1.1575, the highest since November 2021, and gold has topped the $3,400 per ounce price mark for the first time. The sell-off in U.S. assets is aligning with increasing policy uncertainty stemming from President Trump's trade war. Now, Omkar Godbole, co-managing editor on Bitcoin Bulletin's markets team, says we're seeing a strategic asset allocation shift that's causing all kinds of correlations to flip in a historical way. It's a time for many investors to take a step back and think fresh. And Bitcoin Bulletin is right at the forefront of it all. We've been tracking these trends for years, and we know that when it comes to investing in crypto, you can't afford to be caught off guard. So if you're looking for expert analysis on this shift and what it means for your portfolio, be sure to check out our latest research on the Bitcoin Bulletin website. In conclusion, the options data is clear. Bitcoin and the euro are gaining strength against the dollar, and if history is any guide, we can expect to see more volatility in the coming weeks. Stay ahead of the curve with Bitcoin Bulletin, and let's keep the conversation going.